Vinyl flooring is a perfect choice for your Toronto basement.
Hi there! Are you wondering what flooring materials are perfect for your basement renovation? You might have already realized how tricky it can be to choose the right material for your basement floor. The biggest challenge that most interior designers and homeowners have when considering basement flooring is moisture. Since basements are prone to moisture from above and below, the flooring needs to be moisture resistant and preferably completely waterproof. Another common challenge to basement floor renovations is concrete, since it is nearly impossible to nail into and its dampness makes adhesion a problem. There's no worse feeling than installing beautiful carpet or expensive wood floors only to see water damage destroy your investment. Choosing the right type of vinyl flooring solves both of these problems, because vinyl provides water resistance without the need to nail or glue down during installation. Since vinyl flooring is highly water resistant and is one of the best options to cover concrete, today's luxury vinyl continues to look great and stay strong in the face of normal amounts of water on the surface or occasional dampness from concrete below. Vinyl sheets and planks are also easy DIY options for a basement since they don't need an adhesive to keep them down. The sheets can be installed as one piece and the planks come with a click and lock system to simply snap them together. SPC flooring, which is 100% moisture resistant and waterproof, also uses a click and lock system with no adhesive required, which means that your basement reno just got a whole lot easier. When it comes to choosing your floor, there are many different types of vinyl flooring to choose from, and almost all are suitable for basement. Why not come visit our beautiful showroom where we have a wide variety of different types of vinyl on display. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos about today's best flooring options.